Pioneer MVH S23BT. Installation and review. Best budget. Bluetooth car stereo for easy upgrades. Want to upgrade an older car with Bluetooth and USB without spending a lot on a touchscreen stereo? The Pioneer MVH S23BT is designed to keep things simple. But is it worth buying? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The MVH S23BT is a single DIN digital media receiver with built-in Bluetooth for wireless music streaming and hands-free calling. It also has a front IUSBI port for compatible music files, including MP3, WMA, WAV, and FLAC. One advantage is its short chassis design, which takes up less space behind the dashboard and can make installation easier in some vehicles. However, you'll still need the correct wiring harness and dash kit depending on your car, so compatibility should be checked before installation. For sound, Pioneer rates it at up to 50 watts by 4 maximum output with 22 watts by 4 continuous power. You also get a 5-band graphic equalizer, bass controls, loudness settings, and a 2-volt RCA pre-out for connecting an amplifier or expanding your system. Bluetooth is one of the main reasons to consider this receiver. Once your phone is paired, you can stream music and make hands-free calls without connecting a cable every time. But there are important limitations. There is no touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in navigation, or backup camera display. So this is more of a simple audio upgrade than a complete modern infotainment system. That makes the MVH S23BT a good choice for drivers who mainly want Bluetooth, USB playback, useful audio controls, and a straightforward single DIN upgrade for an older vehicle. However, if you want smartphone navigation, voice-controlled apps, or Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, spending more on a compatible touchscreen receiver would make more sense. Overall, the Pioneer MVH S23BT focuses on the basics and does them without unnecessary extras. For a simple Bluetooth upgrade, it can be a practical option. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what product you'd like to see next.